All right, 6th graders, we're finishing up our review for our test tomorrow on lesson 61. We're on page 129, so if you'll get your books out, if you will please label your notes, lesson 61, and we're doing numbers 44 through 50. The test is tomorrow. We're going to start with number 44. Now, number 44 says you're going to draw a 2-inch line segment. You can get your protractor out for that. This one's broken, so I'll use this one instead because at the bottom of the protractor is a little ruler. Use a compass and a straight edge to construct the bisector. All right, so I want to go to page 104 to get my lines on how to do a bisector. You'll come around here with the camera. The first thing I'm going to do is draw my 2-inch. I'm going to use this big old flat black so it'll show up okay on that, on the camera. I'm going to draw a 2-inch line segment. All right, so there's my line segment. And then I'm going to go to page 104, which says bisect a line segment, and I'm going to follow those steps. It says adjust the compass to more than half of the length of AB. And so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and name this line segment A. This pen doesn't work. I'm going to name it AB. I'll pick up this red pen, maybe it'll show up okay on the camera. So I'm going to get my compass, and this is over half, and that's what it said. Adjust the compass to more than half of the length of AB. Place the compass on point A, draw an arc extending above and below the line. So I'm going to come all the way below and draw above. Then I'm going to repeat it with B. Put it on B, cross above, below, and also above. It says where they intersect, I'm going to label them. Here's one point they intersect, here's the other point. I'm going to label it X and Y. Then I can take my straight edge and I can connect the dots. Drawing a line from the top straight through the bottom. That red ink did not do well. I need to throw that pen away. Let me try it again. Top to the bottom. I've just bisected a 2-inch line segment. All right, let's go back to our lesson 61. I'm on number 45. It says draw a 30-degree angle, then use a compass and a straight edge to bisect the angle. We did this in class today. This is number 44. This is number 45. I'm going to first of all draw my base. It doesn't matter what size because it didn't tell me. And then it says 30 degrees. So a 30-degree angle is an acute angle, so that means it's going to be a skinny angle. So I don't want to come over here and draw a 30-degree angle. That'll be too fat. Right here is the 30 degrees that I want. I'm going to connect like that. This is a 30-degree angle. Then I'm going to go back to page 104 and I'm going to follow the instructions at the top of 105 on how to bisect an angle. It says with the compass point on, let's see, it says with the compass point on B, you're going to draw an arc that intersects both sides and you're going to label the points A, B. So I'm going to name this, excuse me, right here. I'm going to put it on the point. I'm going to cross it. I'm going to name this A, B, C. It doesn't matter what you letter it. Then I'm going to come up here. It says with the compass point on A, draw an arc between the two sides. I'm going to come up here and cross an arc up at the top. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the C. Repeat the process, cross it. Do you see where the two arcs cross and intersect? Right there. That's my bisector line. Now I can connect the B to the dot. Perfect. Half over here, half over here. I've just bisected a 30-degree angle. So this is going to be 15 degrees, and this is going to be 15 degrees, just as Ryan told us earlier today. I'm going to go back and look at number 46. 46 says that that Miss Hanson's class, 12 of the students have dogs, 9 of the students have cats, and 6 of the 24 students have neither a dog or a cat. So I'm just going to write my facts out. I've got 24 total students. I have 12 have dogs, 9 have cats, and 6 have a mean old mom and dad. They have no pets. That's so sad. It says how many students have both a dog and a cat, and it wants us to use a diagram. We haven't talked about this before, but you have in other classes, and we did last year, and you did in kindergarten, in 1st and 2nd and 3rd grade. It's called a Venn diagram. I've got a circle here and a circle here, and I'm going to put the information, dogs, cats, both. All right, so I know that 6 have no pets. So 6, none. It goes on the outside of the Venn diagram. 12 have dogs, 9 have cats. All right, so let me see. Let's see, how many have dogs only? Let's see. 12 of the students have dogs, 9 have cats, and 6 have none. How many have both a dog and a cat? So we have 9 have cats. I want to see. 9 have cats, 12 have dogs. So that's 12 plus 6 plus 9. That's 15, 16, 17. That's 27. There's a total of 24 students. So that means 3 students must have a dog and a cat. So I need to adjust it. So I'm going to say, let's see, instead of 12 have dogs, maybe I need to take 3 students away from here, make that 9, take 3 students away from here, make that 6, and bring those 3 students right here. Let's see if that adds up to 24 students. 9 plus 3 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. All right, now, the last part I want you to do on your own. You have to be able to identify the shapes of each of the lighthouse. It's either a square pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, a cylinder pyramid, or a cone. When you come back to class tomorrow, I should see all of that written out in your notes. I'll see you on the test tomorrow.